so these are the two wires that I'm going to be fixing. So I'm going to strip those down, put them in on this side, snap that in into the new fitting. Then we should be able to plug it in like the rest of them. Alright, so as you can see, got those wires put in, the ends are there, hands have lotion now. And the next question is, this is the original that I cut off from here. And if you look down in there, you can kind of see where there's metal, like this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one does. That's going to allow you to know where to put your wires. That's kind of like a cheat way, but a better way to tell is if you have a multimeter, you put the one end in here and then go into the wire here, and that'll be able to tell you where you have continuity, so you'll know where each wire goes. So right now, when I look at this, I know that my thicker wire goes in this hole, my thinner wire goes in this hole. So this is probably impossible to do one-handed, but we're gonna try one-handed where you can see it anyway. Take this. Hear that click? That click lets me know this thing is in there. So that one goes there. That one there. So now we have a new plug, and that should be able to plug into your new box like the original. And this is impossible to do with one hand, so give me a second. Okay, one-handed holding the camera was kind of hard, so I went back and looked, and as you can see, I have those in the wrong spot. So they're very easy to change. All you do is take a needle pick, pop it in, hit the tab, and it'll come out. And you can just move it to where it needs to go. Again, doing this with one hand is impossible. Let me pause it. Alright, so that's what it looks like it's plugged in. So those are the originals. This is the new one. You could also see back here, I had another one. That was kind of bad, but you can actually cut the rubber off and replace the whole thing. But it's still possible to plug it in if you still got the wire and you know where it goes. So